Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Apollonia and today I want to share with you some of my most recent beauty buys. I know it's been a little while since I've done makeup. I tend to focus on skincare a little bit more and hair care. And I really love skincare because I feel like if you have the perfect canvas, really nice and clean and flawless, you don't really have to use too much makeup. However, I did purchase some items from Exa Beauty and Fenty Beauty that I want to try today. I'm going to be going out a little bit later, so I want to create a really simple makeup look that I can wear underneath my mask that will not transfer. So if you're interested in seeing those items, just stay tuned. The first product that I'm going to be using today is from Exa Beauty, and it is their Jumpstart Smoothing Primer. So this is the bottle. What's great about this is that it's a clean beauty brand, and this specific formula is charged with triple antioxidant blend, and it gives you a semi-matte finish. So I have already cleansed my face, I toned as well, and applied a little bit of serum and moisturizer. So now I'm just going to apply the primer all over my face with my fingertips. You can see I have a little mark right here on my nose, and right underneath my nose I scratched myself. So I am trying to work on getting rid of those spots, but for now, since I'm going out, I'm going to just do my best at covering them up. The next item that I will be using on my face is from RMS Beauty, and it is their Master Radiance base, and I believe this color is Rich in Radiance. It's the lighter shade of the two. And this is a highlighter that you can use all over. So you can use this underneath your foundation to blur out your imperfections and to also give yourself a lit from within glow. Or you can use it as a regular highlighter on your cheekbones, your cupid's bow, down the bridge of your nose, to highlight your brow bone. It's really up to you. For me, since I'm doing simple makeup right now, I'm going to use it underneath my foundation. So I'm going to try to blur out my imperfections, and a little bit honestly goes a long way. This stuff is really pigmented. If you follow me on social media, you have seen me talk about this product already. I really love how smooth this product goes on underneath your foundation, and it looks very beautiful and glowy when you apply your foundation over top. So I am going to do that today. So I just went ahead and applied a little bit more of the Master Radiance base from RMS. I applied a little bit more on my chin, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and then just to highlight my cheekbones. Because I'm not applying a highlighter over top, I'm just going to use this underneath to give me my glow. So the next product that I'm going to be using is foundation. So I'm going to be using Exa Beauty High Fidelity Semi Satin Foundation. My shade is Jessica 210. And here is the bottle. So I'm going to shake that up. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of it on my palm just to warm the foundation up. I'm not applying a lot because, like I said, I'm going to be wearing a mask. So I don't want too much of the foundation to transfer over. I want it to be really light and airy, and I don't want to clog my pores. So I'm just doing one pump. And next I'm going to be taking my stippling brush. This is an old brush that I have from Sephora. This is the Dome Stippling Brush number 41. And I'm just gonna dab it right there and start to stipple. So it's not too matte. It gives you a really natural finish, which I like. So I just finished doing a little bit of spot correcting. I used my NARS Amande Concealer right here on the nose and under here, over here where I had 2 spots, and I just covered it up with a little bit of the foundation over top. The next product that I'm going to be using is from Fenty Beauty, and it is their Cream Cheeks Out Bronzer. This color is Teddy. And I'm just going to be using a little bit of this cream bronzer to give me a light contour. Not too much, because as I said, I'm putting on a mask. Finally, for blush, I'm going to be using also from Fenty Beauty their cream blush. The shade is ROSÉ Latte. The way it applies even better with the fingers than the brush. And now I'm just going to brush and fill in my eyebrows using the Mented Cosmetics eyebrow pencil in Brow Down. This is one of my favorite pencils to use when doing my brows as of recently, because it gives me a really clean look and remains natural looking, which is exactly what I need. Now I'm going to just do a quick eyeshadow look, and I'm just breezing through this because I actually have to get going. So I'm just applying my eyeshadow primer. And now for the eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using my Mented Cosmetics Everyday Palette. So I'm starting with this shade right here in the middle. And I'm just going to pat that all over my eyes. I'm going to be applying a little bit of this gold shimmer right here in the inner corner. So I already applied a little bit. I'm just going to add a little more. So I just finished blending out the inner corner of my eye. I applied a little bit of under eye concealer, blended that out, and applied some liner. Next thing I'm going to do is set my foundation and all of my makeup. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Honey setting powder. Because right now I have a lot of shine. And I want the glow, but I don't want to be super shiny. And I'm going to apply a little bit of the Fenty Slip Shine in the color Tang Thang. So this will be the color that I'm wearing when I take off my mask. I'll probably put a little bit more on after I take it off when I'm eating, because I'm going out to eat right now. You don't really need lipstick underneath your mask if you're going to be wearing it all day. Not really necessary because it will come off. But I do plan on taking it off a little bit later when I'm eating. So this is a nice color to have on. I think it kind of blends really nicely with the colors that I applied on my face. Really simple, really elegant, glowy without being overly shiny now that I've set my foundation and the rest of my makeup. So the next thing I'm going to do is just take down my hair and start getting ready. Alright everyone, so this is my final look. I know I kind of breezed through it a little bit, but I gotta get ready to go. So I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you check out the products that I tried today. I tried Exa Beauty, Fenty, a little bit of Mented Cosmetics. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Of course, I would always love it if you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will try to do a little bit more makeup looks if that's what you guys want. I tend to usually just do simple makeup because I'm always on the go. I have things to do. I don't really have time for too much glam, so I like really simple, easy, quick, beautiful looks. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below, and until next time, bye.